Whoa. This is crazy. Anyway, welcome back to the channel, and today's video is going to be a tricky one. It's actually snowing, not sure if you can see that, and it's late April 21st to be exact. A week ago to this day, it was actually 80 degrees out and I was swimming in the river. Now I got all my winter clothes back on. It's pretty wild. Well, that's enough talking. Let's get to work here. I'm in the same general area as I was for my overnighter I shot a couple weeks back. So I walked over and got my 3 sticks that I used for my chair. Save a little time and don't have to go hunt some more down in this weather. Man, I can't believe there's actually snowflakes coming down right now. That's pretty crazy. So I'm trying something a little different, sort of snaking my way around each stick, sort of like a figure 8, going back and around and through to give it a little more room to swivel and play around. The lashings I did the last couple times were almost too strong, wouldn't let the seat or the legs move around very much. So let's see how this goes. All right, that did it. Ah, nice. Ah, it's perfect. It's lower to the ground than I would like, but it's perfect for being underneath the tarp. All right, got a seat. You know, even though we're stuck under the tarp today, it's still really beautiful out. Everything's so lush and green now that spring has arrived. It's nice out. Coffee time. Could it be? Are we actually getting some sunshine? That wasn't forecasted. Rain's letting up a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna last. It's supposed to rain all day. It's beautiful right now. Got a little bit of sun creeping in. It's a nice section of forest. You know, guys, I gotta say, it's beautiful out. This may not be everybody's cup of tea, but for me, if I'm sitting under my tarp in the woods, a nice cup of coffee, I'm a happy camper. Let's go get the wood we need for lunch. Alright, this is gonna do for the firebox. It's pretty dry in the middle. saw blade is getting a little dull. It's been going strong for about 2 years now. I have a replacement blade at home. Starting to feel like it's almost time to say goodbye to this one. When this thing is brand new, cuts through stuff like this in seconds. Okay, I thought I could take a chance and get out of the tarp to do this. The rain was letting up, but now it's coming right back down again. Let's just show you what we got for lunch. I think I can manage food prep. There's not a lot to do. Asparagus is already cut to length. We're going whole cloves today. They're little baby cloves. No need to chop these ones up. The devil's sausage. Basically, it's a spicy sausage. Here we go. Onions, garlic, sausage, asparagus, and potatoes. Just in time to get back under the tarp. It's starting to rain again. And it's snowing again. Crazy. I need a gas mask. Put the onions and garlic in there. Asparagus and the potatoes. I'm doing my best for you guys here. I've had easier YouTube videos to shoot than this one. So we're making it work. Alright, food is ready. If I let it go any longer, garlic and onion is gonna burn. Whoa. I've never experienced thunder and lightning with snow before. That's weird. There we go. The devil's sausage, potatoes, asparagus, some caramelized garlic and onion. Time to eat it. Get a little more wood on the firebox. I can't believe I'm saying it's kind of chilly. My hands are cold in April. Look at this snow, it's actually sticking to the ground. This is wild. Anyway, hope you guys are enjoying the video so far and can appreciate the hard work involved. But mission is pretty much accomplished here. Food is cooked. Fire's going strong. Let's enjoy the fruits of our labor here. This is some real snow. These are some really big fat flakes falling from the sky. It's like a different world out there all of a sudden than when I came in. Asparagus is on point. You know, and I didn't salt it or anything. The fat and the salt from the sausage mixed up with the garlic and onion in the cast iron pan, some olive oil. That's all I really need. Let the flavor of the food do the work. I can't say it enough times how crazy this is to me that it's snowing like this late in the year. But I'm doing all right. Got my firebox well lit. Sitting under my oilskin tarp. I'm not on the ground this time like I have been in a lot of previous videos. Love my little seat. We're doing pretty good out here, I'd say. Yeah, now that I'm not cooking on the fire anymore, I purposely cut a few extra pieces of little log so I can have the ambiance of a fire while I'm eating. That's surely to fall off in a few minutes, but that's okay. All right, back to the meal. Even though this is a ton of work, it's not easy in these conditions getting this job done. But I am enjoying myself. It is beautiful out. Watching the snow fall on a quiet day in the woods with a warm meal right in front of me. A little fire in the firebox. This is a enjoyable experience. It's pretty killer, guys. I'm definitely glad I brought a second cup of coffee. It's time to get another brew going. guys, time to wrap up this video. I'm going to enjoy this fire, enjoy my second cup of coffee, take in this beautiful view, slowly find my way out of here. I'll see you guys again next week. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. And until next time, take care.